The WelderElite gasless flux cord wire. It is a 0.35 diameter. So let's grab it, load it in the machine, and test it out. We're going to be testing this out on some 1/4 inch little plate I have here. We'll weld it, see how she does. Alright, let's see how she did. Not too bad. Let me zoom on it. Let me get some pliers. The welds are not as smooth, but the wire sure is. This was 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch, single pass, and it ran really smooth. I'm really impressed with this wire. I'd highly recommend WelderElite's wire.